Welcome back to my channel. We're flying over the parking lot where all the assembly line workers work. I wanted to check, being a Wednesday, I think they have a work day Monday through Wednesday, probably 10-hour shift or whatever. There's not very many people here on a Friday. And obviously on the weekend, probably very, very few people. But anyway, we're going over the west side of the assembly plant. And one of my goals was just to check the parking lot off. I feel very comfortable about there's still a lot of people there because the rumors are going around, and there's been articles about it, that they're going to be cutting the personnel staff in the assembly plant. We have no idea what they're assembling in there, whether it be hydrogen or battery. I'm not a hydrogen fan. They're just a complicated machinery. Things could break down. I'm a very big battery electric fan because there's very minimal parts, more reliable. Everywhere you go, there's electricity, and maybe not as much as they need to charge. But anyway, I'm 6X. I'm still flying a couple hundred feet above the ground. But I wanted to look at the back of these trucks. And it's early morning, like as I say, about 9 o'clock. And so the shade is not doing well there. But there's no battery modules in any of these trucks that I went over. And originally I thought each of these trucks had their replacement battery modules, but obviously the battery modules haven't come in yet. And I've not heard any word about exactly when they're coming in, other than 2025, where they're going to switch out the battery components. But I think, because originally I thought, as we go to that test track, towards the test track, that all the trucks that didn't have battery modules were over there. And so as I head over there, right now I see that nothing really has changed very much. And you can see this is a pretty big facility. As I remember, it's several hundred acres that they have room here for the test track and their production lines and that. And I don't know if Nikola Motors owns this facility or not. Somebody else commented that they're leasing it. And I find that kind of, that's possible. I don't know. I'm not sure on that. But I wanted to come up here and actually take a still picture of Nikola 1, the infamous, kind of famous vehicle that who knows how long it's going to be here. But as I come down, nothing really has changed there. But I did take a still photograph of Nikola 1 so I can have it in my memory, because look at the difference between it. And the Nikola 1 was a hydrogen vehicle. And I'm not in favor of hydrogen. I think the battery-operated ones will give you more reliability, less breakdowns, and what they're designed for short-haul transportation is perfect for electric vehicles, because at each of the plants they can put on their own power. A request was to go on the east side of the building. Here I am. The batteries are still there. You can see what's going on back there, not much. And but anyway, here's the latest update on December the 18th at Nikola Motors. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.